Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to invite your friends to join a Roblox game so you can play together in the same server. It's actually super simple. Let's begin. First, find the game you want to play on Roblox and click on it. For example, I'm going to choose this. Okay, right next to the play button, you'll see a small friends icon. This one, right? Go ahead and click on that. You will see various options on the drop down. You can click on invite connections. Okay, so click on this and you can easily choose any of your friends you have already added into your account, or even look them up over here if they are not showing up. However, if you don't have any friends yet, don't worry. Here's how you can actually add your friends in Roblox. So just go to the left panel over here, click more, go to connections, add connections, and you can easily look up any of your friends' username. Okay, look it up. For example, I'm going to type that up, and various people will show up right over here. Then you can easily click on these add button to add them as your friend, and then you can easily play together. And that's it. You have now successfully added your friends on Roblox, and you can now easily invite them to any game. I hope you found this video very helpful.